First varsity football team in Green Street. I mean, you can tell your family, older siblings, younger siblings, you was the first person to ever be on the Green Street football team from 10 years from now. And then it's like brought Green Street together. Personally, the whole school, teachers, staff, students, it brought everybody together to become more closer, especially the football team, more as a family, as though on the football team, nobody can feel like they don't got nobody that love them.
To be the first varsity coach here, it's absolutely a blessing. It's an honor to work at this school. I have just had just the most amazing time working with these young men over here. It's truly been an incredible experience so far. I can't really put it into words, but it's been awesome.
I guess it's just a bond that brings together friendships. You may come together and make that bond that makes everything work at the same level.
The game of football means to me, it means family, humbleness. I believe that once you become one, you know the aspects to be great.
It's just an incredible season. The kids, our young men, have responded well. They come out and work every week, and they're doing great things in the classroom as well. So it's been just an overall very positive experience so far.
Let's crank it up, start to finish. 2 minutes, let's go.